Hello and welcome to the Oasys LS-DYNA update meeting for 2021. I'm Peter Young, I'm a director at Arup and I lead the Oasys LS-DYNA team. The Oasys LS-DYNA environment is, of course, the LS-DYNA solver itself, now owned by Ansys, and the Oasys products, pre- and post-processors and FE models that are built around and built exclusively for LS-DYNA. Arup are long-standing members of the LS-DYNA community. We worked with John Hallquist and LSTC for over 30 years, and we are distributors of LS-DYNA in certain regions. We have a global network of distributors of our Oasys products, and most of those are also distributors of LS-DYNA in their regions. As I'm sure you know, Ansys acquired LSTC in 2019, and I'm delighted that Alex Pett of Ansys is our next speaker today, and he will tell us more about Ansys and their plans for LS-DYNA. It's an exciting roadmap, which I'm sure will further strengthen LS-DYNA's already strong position as the preeminent solver for explicit nonlinear solutions, and will create many exciting opportunities for truly multi-physics simulation. This is our global team, and depending on your time zone, they're online today in these presentations to answer your queries. So please use the meeting sidebar for any questions you have, and they will try and respond to you directly. So the event itself, well, of course, it's virtual. Hopefully you joined through the conference room, which you can see here. Take a wander around, and there are plenty of opportunities for interaction and lots of content via various screens. To the left of this image here, you'll see the showroom, where you can see a range of our models on display. All presentations are accessible from this room, and the room remains open until the 14th of May, so you can come and review those presentations as many times as you like. We'll be hearing from Alex shortly about Ansys and LS-DYNA generally, but the technical LS-DYNA update presentation that regular attendees at our user meeting will be familiar with will be given this year by Richard Sturt as a webinar in June. Presentations are pre-recorded, but what this means is that the presenters are online, ready now to answer your questions as they come in. So please do put them in the chat box as we go and make the most of that opportunity. After our final presentation, we'll have a live Q&A with all the speakers. And we'll mop up any questions that are unanswered at that point. Many of you will be missing the opportunity to interact with your friends and colleagues that these meetings normally provide. Well, we've tried to provide that through our virtual networking space. So in the room, if you wander up to where it says Fancy a Chat and click on the link, then using Chrome ideally, our virtual networking space will open in your browser. This may take a minute or two to load, and you can accept a default avatar, but then you enter the room and you'll find members of our team and hopefully some of your friends and colleagues there too, and you'll need a headset or microphone and speaker set up, and you'll be able to speak with them there. It's slightly experimental, but we hope it will provide some opportunities, some of the engagement opportunities that we normally enjoy at these events. You can also contact our team directly using the live chat function, which you access through the speech bubble in the bottom right of your screen. There'll be someone there to take your queries throughout the event, and it's a normal keyboard style interaction, no microphone required. Now, virtual events have many advantages, but many of us are also looking forward to the return of physical events, and in particular this one, the European LS-DYNA Conference of 2021, hosted by Dynamo in Ulm in Germany on the 5th to 6th of October. This will be both a physical and an online event, and the call for papers is now open with a deadline for abstracts of the 28th of May, and I look forward to seeing many of you there.